Remove the hook, Singer 348. In this video, I remove the hook. I'll get right to the bottom of things. When I say the bottom, I mean right here. That is the bottom of the stud that the hook and bobbin case are on. That's the other end of it. This has two set screws. One is there, one is there. One and two. So previous experience has shown that if there's two set screws on a round stud, that there is no flat spot on the stud. If there was a flat spot, there would only be one set screw on the flat spot, but that is not the case here. So I'm going to have to undo those two set screws to go up top and pull the bobbin case and hook off. So I'm really looking forward to this. I've never done this on this model machine before, and I've never dealt with these before. I've avoided it, but I'm enjoying it actually. Here we go. Here's a good view of the bottom of the stud, the hook / bobbin case stud downstairs here. Here we are. I got it lined up. Let me get it in first here. There we are. So I'm in there, and I'll just give that a few turns. There, I can see the screw coming right out there. Let me go to the other one right here. I could feel it seat. Oh, there, it's loose. So here we go. There, that's off. Cool. Be able to clean that on that side. I already got that side. I'll be able to get really good inside those teeth. I got in them already. So I'll set that aside. I can feel it's a little loose, but I don't know if I can get it out yet. See what I have to remove to proceed. Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages everywhere, here's the deal. There is a, what do we call that, a nut? Whatever. It screws on, so I'm either going to need a crescent wrench or something like that. And there's another one there. And then there's this is the spring for the bottom of the throat plate stud that moves up, and it's the throat plate pin that moves up and down. There's a spring for it. Here's the clip that keeps it in there. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to undo that, and then we'll go back up top again and see what that does. While we're here, this is tooltip number 3. While we're here, this is tooltip number 3. I buy these little magnetic trays on the cheap in the dollar store, and it's stuck there. So it's really great for, you know, putting it inside your machine, and then when I take these things off, they're going to go right there, and hopefully I won't drop anything and have it ricochet all over the place. Cool, huh? There you go. Tool tip number 3. Thanks, Jebb Adams. Where can I subscribe, Jebb? Anywhere you want, buddy. So I'm going to go after this little one first. I'll just get the crescent wrench jaws on there, and I'll see if I got enough of a hold on it. There we go. I've got my hand underneath just in case anything falls out on the other side. I can feel something there. Okay, but anyway, I've got it on video, and now I'll go for the big one here. The big one. How am I going to make out? Ooh, that's tight. Ooh, it needed a little bit of torque. But guess what? Cool, dudes. Oh, this is so much fun. So that comes off, and then I'm going to take this spring clip, or whatever you want to call it. Where did it go? It came flying out. It went in the machine somewhere. I was hoping that it had fallen into, you know what it was? The spring. The spring sprung. So there we go. So I've got that undone now. That was, you can see these are undone down here. And that's all. I'm going to move my little magnetic case, and then I'm going to go up top. Okay. I'm here, and I'm looking to see if I can take this out. This may be loose. Or is it this? No, that's not loose. And that's down on there. But this is loose now. But I don't see how I could remove that. And I want to remove that. I think I'm going to have to remove that. So maybe I'll do that for now and see what happens. Oh, that was loose. Probably because of the paint, the finish, the chemical coating. There's the one. They are small. Oh yeah. And this slid right out. That's what it looks like. A little greasy, a little grimy, a little oily even. I've been doing a good job oiling, obviously. I'll be able to clean down in here. Oh wow, it is. Kind of just giving it a little wipe to knock some of the varnish and oil and dust off. We are right here. This is loose, that is loose, but I'm not having much success freeing the items. So I'm gonna go downstairs again and do a little bit of an inspection. You know, look at this, look at this, look at that. Did you see that? Okay, thank goodness it was on film. It was on vid. There, cool. Look at that grimy piece. Ta-da! Look at that. Wow. What a great lesson. And I'm having fun. I certainly do have some cleaning to do, don't I? But it's out. It is out to start cleaning. So there you go, gang. It's out. And the next film is going to carry on from here with me cleaning this and then downstairs there where we were just working. And so I'll be posting real soon, I expect, after this one. Adios, amigos. Hey, listen, stay safe, have fun, help Jebb, subscribe. Thank you.